course you know a falling wedge in a bullish market, that is a continuation. Obviously automatically that is a continuation. All right, what's up traders? Welcome back to FOREX. So guys, today we got this, man, we got back day 3, and here we go. Let me show you something, guys. Today this is US30, and guess what, I never took a trade. Reason being, US30 never gave me an opportunity, bro. You can see here, this is the time that when New York session opened here, and I was expecting something good from it because it has already given us this pattern or this market structure which could show me some bullishness. You can see here it just broke above, came back for trace, it went above, but it was not yet in US session to open for me to start taking trades. So when it went above and broke here, I was expecting it to come back below, and as it did, exactly as it did, testing this order block, then it goes all the way back. But when it came back here, guys, never gave me any interest signal. Though this candlestick, I wasn't interested in it because it was too big for me, and it had a huge stop loss, as our trading plan says. We are not taking such trade. So I left the market to play around. It went above, and when it came back down, guys, it just came and tapped on this psychological level. At the same time, again, it started going above. So I lost interest once the market started doing like this. So it was showing me that it doesn't have any direction. So I was waiting for it, at least if it could break this one to see my trading session, or it breaks this below, then it's running out to get a trend or a trend of the market like that. Is it bullish or bearish? But when it started playing like this, guys, I was out of the market. Actually, I stopped. I went out. As you can see, I'm gonna put this screenshot here. As you can see on this screenshot that I took it, it was around 8:30 p.m. or 8:30 p.m. and that's when I decided to get out of the market. Like today, no trades taken on US30 as this screenshot is showing you. And now you can see that I've come back to record for you this video, and the market started playing around. So here you can see it broke down but still playing around, but here now you can see that I started giving us some direction. So if it is still the trading session, I would have waited for it to come back and test the psychological level or test the resistance zone, then we go with it above until it reached this resistance zone. So that is with US30. Let me check Nasdaq as well. See Nasdaq also, guys, I didn't take a trade as well. You can see that I was looking at this falling wedge before the opening of New York session, then it broke above. As it broke above, it wasn't giving any good signal, so it gave me another raising falling wedge. As you can see here, guys, this falling wedge, I was interested in it so much, and I was waiting to see what will happen with this falling wedge. Of course, you know a falling wedge in a bullish market, that is a continuation. Obviously automatically that is a continuation. I guess what the market started manipulating, started playing around, and I wasn't interested as well. So it spiked above, it went all the way up, it came back down, and it never gave me any signal. So I was like, if it breaks this high, then I got to get a trade. That means to show me that it's bullish. Though it gave me this simple double bottom, but I was already out of the market because I think I was out also at the same time. It was around 30 minutes past 8, and I went out of the market. As you can see, the screenshot is showing you it was out 30 minutes past 8 p.m. was already out, and see now what happened. Gave me a double bottom, but now I just come back for a test, and this could be an entry, but not all that good because the market is very slow, man. Today it is not having any volatility, though. We are out, man. We are out. No trade today on US30 and Nasdaq. So when I check on gold, gold as well, good. You can see now gold also, guys, I didn't take a trade. So that teaches you why today I didn't trade these pairs. I didn't get any entry on these pairs. You can see as well we had this falling wedge, and the falling wedge also, it broke above, gave a very good retest with a confirmation here. As you can see, these two candles, they gave a confirmation. These are tweezer bottoms, they gave a confirmation, and the market broke this resistance again. It came back to retest, and it went all the way above. So this wasn't my trading session. I couldn't take this trade. So when the market came above here, guys, I was expecting maybe to come and retest this zone because it is a very strong zone. I can see it is resistance, and now broken and is acting as support. So I was expecting the market to come at least play around here, then it goes all the way above. So it started playing around like this, and I was like, okay, this maybe it is gonna be a raising wedge, and let me wait for it to break down. But the way it broke down, guys, it was out of volatility. Never had any volatility, man. Never had any volatility to give me an entry. So what I did, guys, same time at exactly 30 minutes past 8, it was already out, because I never had any direction of this market for me to give me more information or more confirmation to start looking for sales or buys. So I was out of the market, and now consider it's still consolidating. So what I'm seeing now, I'm seeing some sort of a triangle here, man. You can see this is a triangle, and this triangle can give you a buy. Anytime we're gonna get a buy, because if the market breaks above here, we'll wait for it to break this. If it breaks that holding resistance of a triangle, then we're gonna wait for it to break also this resistance zone, and if it breaks above, we're gonna wait for it to test, and it will be more confirmed or good confirmation once it breaks also this resistance, because this is the major resistance that pushed all the way down, and now the market is still playing like that. So that's how the market was playing around today, guys. No trades, and the account is safe. We are safe. We are ready for tomorrow. Just know that opportunities always happen every day. Thank you guys for watching. Wish you the best. Boom.